for continuance.
Can you swear Judge Tucker in? Are you going to be able to swear her in for the hot seat?
I don't know it, so Jeremy, forgive me. I should have this memorized. But Judge Tucker, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and your version of the truth?
As you know it.
As you know it?
Yes.
All right. We're
Okay,
going to
I
put...
think that's close
All right,
enough.
we're putting her on the hot seat. Oh, wait. Let me get my glasses on. I got to put my glasses on.
Okay,
All right.
Velma.
Yeah, here we
Where
go.
are my glasses?
How do you spell trucker?
Trucker. What does that mean?
Go, Joe. Go, Brandon.
How do you spell trucker is his question.
Trucker?
We're going to throw you.
Name 3 words that rhyme with Tucker.
Oh,
How about
oh no,
Fuddruckers.
Yes.
Fuddruckers.
Oh, Fuddruckers. That's a good
Fuddruckers.
one.
Okay,
That's
we'll
one.
let you
That's
have one
good.
pass.
All right. Are you related to Chris Tucker,
No,
Preston Tucker,
no,
Justin Tucker,
no,
Douglas Trucker?
no.
Mother Tucker, bad Mother Tucker. Isn't your husband named Judd?
It is.
I'm
Let's
gonna
just
pass
leave it at
question.
that.
I'm gonna leave it at that. Jeremy wrote a bad question.
Oh, it was a bad question.
Bad question.
Okay. Do you believe in gender equality?
Gender equality.
Yeah, gender equality. If you do, then why isn't your name Atkinson anymore? The Amy formerly known as Atkinson. I like Judge Atkinson. Nice ring to it. So I think I think Judge should change his name to Judd to crush the confusion.
Well, Tucker is easier to say though.
Jude
don't you think?
Atkinson. We could change it to Jude. Yeah.
Did you go to
Well,
UT?
my maiden name is Livesey, so try
Objection.
that.
Objection.
Oh,
Non-responsive.
She's got us.
Did you go to UT?
Yes,
What's your mascot?
my mascot.
Was it Smokey the Blue Tick Coonhound?
Oh yes, at that UT. Yes.
But I thought it was the bear that got lit in the forest.
I don't think you can say that anymore.
Time's up for the coonhounds, I guess.
Isn't that animal cruelty to teach your animal to kill another animal?
Yes.
Hey, what was your rally cry at UT?
Rocky Top.
How about at UT?
I guess it's the UT. I guess it's the Eyes of Texas, but I never went to a football game there.
Hook
I was
'em,
too busy
hook 'em.
studying.
I know, you're in law school. What are you hooking when you hook them?
I like to hook fish.
All right, that's more animal violence for us. All right, time's
When you
up.
attended UT, were you a volunteer?
I was a volunteer.
Have you ever volunteered anywhere else?
Yes, I have volunteered at other places.
What's the best part of volunteering?
Well, the best part, not getting paid.
Hey, after law school, isn't it true that you clerk for Hayden Panettiere?
No.
Hayden Head?
Yes.
Is that a real judge?
Yes.
What did he say when he came in from the chambers?
Where's my coffee?
Are you a sorority girl?
No.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
What's their names?
Emily and Katie.
Who's your favorite?
They are both my favorites, but they are totally opposite.
Isn't it true that you were one of the top-ranked junior tennis players in the state of Texas?
That is true.
Give us your best tennis grunt. Was your dad like Will Smith and King Richard?
No.
What about Earl Woods?
No.
Hey, now your husband's name is Judd. Right? Is it a Judd?
Yes.
And so when someone asks for Judd Tucker, who answers?
Judd.
Judge Tucker, who answers?
Well, sometimes Judd does.
But you're the only honorable one, right?
I think so.
How tall are you?
Almost 5'5".
Okay, what's your weight?
A little north of my fighting weight.
Yay!
God-given hair color.
You're looking at it.
Isn't it true you wear glasses just for style?
No.
What's your eyesight?
Terrible.
Do you have any other handicaps?
Well, I've probably got a 12 handicap in golf right now, which is embarrassing.
Whoa,
Very good.
man.
Have you ever received a permanent?
Many.
So those curls aren't natural?
Well, not when I was in 6th grade.
And what kind of hair product do you use?
Really just whatever I grab quickly in the grocery store.
Did you ever rock a bob?
Yes.
Hey, for Halloween, are you going to go as Liza Minnelli,
No.
Hillary Swank,
No.
Sarah Palin?
Maybe.
So we loved your campaign video. The right eyebrow arch.
Yeah,
It's
that was
totally
so
on point.
cool. I loved it. Yeah, it was kind of like this. It was right arm. It was so cool.
Jeremy has this weird habit. He has to like count things out. It's like
Yeah.
OCD. So he counted 3 right eyebrow raises in the first 20 seconds of your campaign. So we were going to print it, but Diana got on to Jeremy for printing too many things in color this week. And so he was out of color prints. So we don't have a color copy of it.
That's great.
So show us your dexterity ambient. So can you arch your left eyebrow?
So I didn't even know I was arching my eyebrows.
You
Am
did?
I able to do that?
You arched them. Yeah, we watched. Jeremy counts it. He does that.
Hey,
kind of
that's
stuff.
pretty good. You did good
You
there.
did great. You're perfect.
Speaking of your campaign video, no, let's skip that one. I don't like that one. You're a member of the National Council of Juvenile and Family Court Judges, correct?
Yes.
How did you get along with the juveniles?
Not very well.
It's interesting they're letting juveniles sit on the bench now, right?
I hope not.
It's a good experience for them.
Yeah, and they're higher up so they can actually see.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, your website says that you've had over 5,000 CPS hearings, and you have improved outcomes for over 3,000 children in foster care. Is that right?
Yes.
Well, what happened to the other poor 2,000 kids?
Oh, well, that's a great question. Probably more hearings than children because every child requires lots of hearings.
What's your best kept office secret?
Gosh, my best kept office secret is, I don't know, pass. I don't know. That's a tough one.
Objection, non-responsive.
I thought it was very non-responsive. I'm sorry.
Now that you've graduated to a real judge, who's your associate?
Judge Jack Riley.
Why didn't you pick Brandon Riley? Boy Wonder.
You didn't apply.
Oh, I didn't get the memo.
Brandon Riley, Boy Wonder.
Who
You want to be
in-
an associate judge?
No.
Okay.
Absolutely not. And I'm not related
Okay.
to Jack Riley.
I like Jack Riley.
And he's not
He's a nice guy.
related to Commissioner Riley either, which he gets asked a lot.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
okay. 6 Degrees of Kevin Spacey.
Yeah, right.
Bacon, whatever his name is.
Right.
Cortland Pettigrew is related to Judge Jack Riley. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
It's
And
his
Cortland
nephew.
Pettigrew was I should have.
He
thought-
sat right there in
And
that
I had a
seat.
picture of Jack, yeah, with me and Jack, and I should have told him that. Yeah.
Okay, back to you. Who in County Court Law number 3 spends most time in the mirror?
Me.
Who spends the least?
CTR bailiff.
Isn't it true that you're board certified in child welfare law?
Yes.
Aren't you concerned that children are vulnerable to becoming addicted to welfare and that you'll never learn to provide for themselves?
Yes, I'm worried about that.
Who's smarter, you or Judd?
Judd, for sure.
Who's your favorite character on The Legal Fix?
You are.
Thank you. Yeah, the first time ever.
Did you get accepted to an HBCU college through affirmative action?
No.
One food for life. What would you eat?
Steak.
You're a member of the Texas Bar College, right?
Yes.
Why did you skip summer school?
I didn't.
Hey, you've dropped a lot of names. Have you ever met Michael Strahan?
No.
What?
What's the meanest thing that you've said from the bench?
You're destroying your child's life.
Oh, that's actually a big
Oh,
one.
boom, boom.
That would break me.
How often do you check social media?
I try to, oh gosh, well, never until the last few months, but I try maybe twice a day.
Most gavel raps in a row.
2
Assuming you're the top dog judge, who's the second top dog judge?
in the county.
Yes.
Oh gosh, pass.
Have you ever made a lawyer cry?
No.
What's the meanest thing you've ever said from the bench?
Oh, we asked you that already.
Oh, we
My
did?
bad.
Oh, you took my... okay, wait.
I
Rusty
took you.
Harden or Tony Busby?
Harden.
All right.
Would
Why-
you rather eat...
Go, go, go.
Yeah,
go.
excuse me. Would you rather eat horse meat in Siberia with Vladimir Putin or yak nuts roasting on an open fire with the Taliban?
Putin.
Why does Deshaun Watson need so many massages?
That's a great question. Why? I mean, he's rich enough to just have. Why did someone come to his house and give him a massage? I don't know why he. I don't know. Is that
He
what he
could
was
get a mail
doing?
order bride
I don't
for
even know what he
cheaper.
was doing.
100-yard dash, you versus Patrice McDonald. Do you let him win?
No, her.
Do you let her win?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Did you love the hot seat?
Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah.
That was
Well,
hot.
Jerem, we had to.
It's
Let
too
me
hot
tell you
for
what we
me
had
to
to
handle.
do. Yeah, it was so high. It was hot for us. So we usually have 3 on the hot seat, rapid fire questions. You have to answer them as fast as possible, and then what Jeremy, we had him all. He kind of helps produce the show, so we have production notes. We never prepare, we never review. So this time we had it all set out, and then he goes, "Hey guys, I got to go to Dallas and see Grandpa." And I went, "Holy cow, Brad! What do we do? We had to. I mean, we had to run. There is no magic.
He is the magic.
You could tell the magic was.
Tell us this though. How do we look you up in your campaign?
So you go to, let me take my sunglasses off. So I'm off the hot seat.
You
now.
are off the hot seat.
So JudgeAmyTucker.com.
JudgeAmyTucker.com.
Yes.
And do you have any new events coming up that people could check out?
I do. I have one coming up on January the 6th at 5:30 at the Honor Cafe in Conroe. And thank you, Honor Cafe, for hosting our event. We're very excited, and we'll be moving into the home stretch.